Lots of people wondering what's happening. There are multiple parrots on the field. One almost landed on the umpire. They almost landed on the foul screen. Just gorgeous birds making their presence felt. And the game has become a total sideshow to everyone watching these birds in flight.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh!
One just landed on the umpires, the home plate umpire, Chad Steers. Is this part of the show? Is this, what is happening right now? Chad Steers is the home plate umpire. That bird looks extremely comfortable on his left shoulder. Members of the UCF grounds crew have come out. One of them calmly removes the parrot, much more calmly than I would have done.